We are in the industrial section of electrical.
I love that we get to drive around to all the different sites and assets we have at council, and sometimes even get to drive the vans ourselves. You get to do a lot of different things here.
Some of the big things definitely for an electrician is if you're interested in maths and science and you're good with English, that's definitely a massive help for the electrician work at TAFE.
Then it's good to learn about all the tools and little bits and pieces that we use as electricians.
You get to see a lot of large infrastructure that you don't know about. And also the team that we have that we get to work with. Everything's great, everyone's great. The bosses know what they're doing, they look out for you.